Good morning, my friends. Today, my friend here, Mr. Walid Qasab, he is gonna teach us how to debone a beef hip successfully, and one of the best ways. There are many different ways of deboning, but today we will see how Mr. Walid he will debone. So, right now he's working on removing the inside round. As you can see, it's basically just going through each muscle, and he's gonna remove the first part, which is the inside round. There are many different ways of deboning. Some people start from the shank, but my friend here, he's starting from the inside round. So this is the inside round. Let's have a look. So he just deboned the inside round. Next, he's gonna work on the eye of round. So basically, what you gotta do is separate it. And as you can see, the meat, they're all connected tissues. So as long as you can find where it's connected, it's pretty simple. This is the eye of round. Let's see what part he's gonna open next. Oh, looks like the outside round. Some people call it a flat, but we like to call it the outside round. Sorry guys, I almost got punched in the face. That's the outside round. Let me show you guys. So these are all basically deboned before trimming. He's still got to trim them. Next, it looks like he's gonna go for the knuckle, or some people call it the sirloin tip. It's called the knuckle because it's hanging on to the knuckle bone right there. Mr. Walid's been a butcher for many years, and he's been with us for about 6 years now. He's one of our top butchers. There you go. That's the inside, the sirloin tip or the knuckle. So when I was saying the knuckle bone, that's basically the knuckle bone right there. And then you can see the next piece he's gonna debone is the heel. So the heel is connected to the shank. This is actually very satisfying to watch. I'm gonna try to get a better angle for you guys. Yeah, that's the heel right there. It's very nice. That is the heel. As you can see, very little meat on the bone. So now he's just going to remove the bottom part of the bone from the shank. There's a joint, and he's going to be removing it from the joint. Wow. Wonderful. Very nice. Now we're left with just the shank. Brother Walid, are you going to be deboning the shank as well?
Yeah, but I cannot remove it here because you're gonna.
Oh, okay.
Fall down, so.
Yeah, it's okay. We can go to the table. If you want, we can go on the table. All right, guys. We're going to follow Mr. Walid on the table. So let's watch him do his magic. He's deboning the shank. As you can see, he's changing his grip for the knife. Like different angles require different grips. There you go. There you go. Mr. Walid in action. Wow. It's very satisfying to watch. And that's the shank debone. So there you have it, guys. The complete hip debone. Very quickly. Thank you, Walid. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.